Well, digital banking revolution in Nigeria, which started with the introduction of automated teller machines and mobile telephony in the early 1990s and 2000s, no doubt has now become even more imperative with the advent of the COVID-19 pandemic, which has left in its wake the need to maintain social distancing in public places. Branch, one of the leading instant loan apps, says it's positioning itself at the forefront of digital banking in Nigeria, determined to significantly improve the experience that Nigerians have with their services and offer better value. We are being joined by the Managing Director of Branch Nigeria, Dayo Ademola. Thank you very much, Dayo, for joining us.
Good morning. Great to have you.
So tell us about Branch.
So Branch has been in Nigeria for over 3 years. We, as you said, have been an instant loan digital app for the last 3 years. We're now transitioning to a full-scale digital bank. And on top of the fact that, we've been offering loans, continue to offer loans to our customers, we're now offering investments and a wallet account as well. So with our wallet, you have free transfers to any financial institution in Nigeria. And with our investments, we're giving our customers a 20% per annum interest on whatever investments they put with us.
So that's a transfer with no cost.
Transfer with no cost. It's 100% free.
Wow, interesting. Well, there are a lot of apps, and when it comes to money, people are kind of wary.
Sure.
What stands Branch apart from that?
So a couple of things. One, we are fully licensed by the Central Bank of Nigeria. So, our regulator is keeping a very close watch on us and what we're doing. The second thing as well is Branch is backed by some of the most globally recognized investors in the world, like Andreessen Horowitz, who were early backers of Twitter, of Facebook, and are board members of those organizations as well as Visa, the global financial organization as well. So we have very solid investor backing. We're fully regulated in Nigeria, so your funds are safe with us.
Well, how do you handle loan defaulters?
We communicate with them and, give everybody an opportunity to pay us back. We are extremely respectful of our customers. We don't do some of the things that, some other people do, contacting people in your contact list, sending you nasty messages or calling. We do none of that. Very respectful of our customers. If we have defaulters, you're contacted directly and given an opportunity to pay through various channels.
Now, you say you have been in Nigeria for 3 years.
Yes.
Now, what has been the track record?
In Nigeria, we've disbursed over 3 million loans in the last 3 years. So, we've been at it for a while and, have been doing it quite well.
Okay, so I have the app and I'm stuck at 28,000. So how do you increase your level of loans?
So it's determined algorithmically, right?
Okay.
And we have a loan ladder. So the more you're approved, the more you borrow from us and pay back on time, you move up the loan ladder and your amounts increase as well.
Okay, so I don't borrow
rate?
that much then. What interest rate?
It varies. So it starts at, about 2% a month is what we charge month on month.
Now, you talked about a free unlimited money transfer and, of course, the leading 20% investment return in Nigeria. So how does that really work? And how can you afford all of this?
Sure. It's like an interesting question. I've been asked this a lot. So it's a couple of things, the Branch advantage. One is our technology allows us to deliver services to our customers more cheaply than, for example, a commercial bank, right? We don't have the same cost structure as a commercial bank. We're fully digital. Everything is done digitally. We're not running branches across the country. So we're able to operate at a sort of, more efficiently, I would say, than a lot of banks do. The second thing as well is our investors are taking a long view to the business in Nigeria and are backing us to be able to, give the best possible returns to our customers at this time.
So how do you manage, because there are a lot of lending platforms at this in the market right now. How do you handle the competition?
I mean, the best advertising for Branch is the word of mouth of our customers, right? So we are rated above a 4.4 rating globally and in Nigeria on the Google Play Store. Our customers have very good things to say about us. We are able to, deliver a better user experience to our users. So that's basically it.
So what are the source of funding for branch?
So we, like I said, we have both equity and debt investment in our organization by, globally recognized investors. We, raise debt capital in Nigeria as well, and the returns that we get from our lending business.
All right, you talked about being licensed, but how are your services regulated in Nigeria at the moment?
It's regulated by the CBN, so we currently have a finance company license from the CBN, which gives us the right to, be fund managers, which is why we can now launch our investment product. We've been a licensed moneylender in Nigeria for the last 3 years as well, so fully regulated.
Okay, so now Nigerian economy, of course, is vibrant with opportunities and, of course, challenges. So what role do you see branch playing in developing the economy, especially in the area of convenient and digital banking, as well as now that we're talking about financial inclusion?
Right. So financial inclusion is a subject I'm passionate about. My previous career has been, I've been working in this space for a really long time. So there's a couple of things. As far as, helping to develop the economy as branch, most of our customers, a good chunk of our customers are actually business owners and use the branch loans to be able to fund their businesses, right? Whether it's buying and selling, whatever it is to invest in their businesses. So that's how we're playing our part. The second thing as well is bringing the convenience of digital banking, of banking services to you in your pocket versus, you having to deal with going to a physical location and all of that. And also, why we say branch is better than your bank, we're giving you the best possible returns on your funding. 20% returns on your investments, the ability to do free transfers. If you're with typically a commercial bank, that comes with a fee. And we've taken all of that away to deliver the best possible value. So that's how, convenience, best value, that's how we bring financial inclusion to
Okay,
to
what's
customers.
your customer base like, and who can use a branch?
So Branch is available on the Google Play Store only. So, if you are in Nigeria and you have an Android phone, you are a potential Branch customer.
Any age?
Any age.
All right, my colleague here talked about having a branch app.
Yeah, I have the app, and
Now,
I'm stuck at
for
28,000.
someone who
Yeah.
doesn't have, someone like me, okay, how do I get on board? How do I, launch into it?
It's very, very simple. If you go onto the Google Play Store, you search for Branch Nigeria, download the app. It takes you about 2 minutes to put in your required information, your BVN, take a picture, just so we have our KYC covered. And then you're immediately a branch customer. You can fund your wallet from an existing account that you have, either through transfer or using a debit card, and you're off to the races.
No face-to-face interaction at all?
Nothing of the sort.
Okay, but
from your wallet, you can fund your investment. If you get a loan, it's disbursed into your wallet. And
there's this issue of in digital banking, the problem of hackers and online fraud. How do you guard against this?
So Branch has some of the best, your data is secured by some of the best security anywhere in the world, right? So we're very, very, very conscious about protection, data protection. We're compliant with, all the Nigerian regulations on how your data should be protected. We're compliant globally with that because, Branch operates across the globe. So we're operating in Africa, in West Africa, East Africa, and India as well. So your data is secure and protected.
Interesting. Well, you said you offer 50 Naira bonus every time you make a deposit of 300 Naira or more into your wallet. That's 10 times a month. How does a branch make this work?
So again, it's basically a thank you for banking with Branch. So, we've created a bonus program just to incentivize people to come on board. That's effectively what it is.
Now, if I'm to be your customer and I have a problem, I have an issue, and how do I get across to you, and how quick is your response to attending to any issue that is brought before you? Because that's usually a challenge.
Yeah. Agreed. So we have real live human beings responding to customer complaints. You can complain in-app, you can send us an email, or contact us on social media, and our response time is less than 10 minutes, 24 hours a day.
All right. I guess my final question will be, when are you going to increase my limit?
Let's take that offline. But
Offline.
yeah, let's take it offline. But at the end of the day, like I said, it's algorithmically determined.
Exactly.
The more you borrow, the more you
Lawful.
pay, the more you move up the loan ladder.
That means I don't borrow that much.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you've been in Nigeria for 3 years. Yes, gradually coming up with different plans. What are your future plans?
So, this is it for us, really. We just want to be your bank. So whatever it is, whatever services it is that you would get at, a bank, you will be able to get that with Branch. And we'll just continue to iterate and improve our products so that you're able to, all your financial services that you need to carry out, you can do that with Branch. So that's effectively our roadmap.
All right. Thank you very much, Dayo Demola, for
Thank you.
sharing your vision
Thank
and,
you.
of course, your mission in Nigeria here with us. We do
Thank you so
appreciate
much.
your time.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you very much.